Today, our objective will be to create a class. Look around you. What do you see? You might see a chair, a table, a computer, a person, or a house. Well, all of these things are considered objects in Python. In order to create these objects in Python, you need to create and follow a blueprint. These blueprints are known as classes. Almost anything can be modeled in Python using classes. Let's create a class named Avatar that will represent the users in a video game. I'm going to create a file named characters, and this is where I will store my class. The first thing I will do when defining a class is to type class followed by the name. So in this case, my class is going to be named Avatar. The parentheses and colon. Inside of my class, I'm going to write attributes and methods. Attributes are variables defined within a class, and methods are functions defined within a class. The initialization method will be the first method that I create. This method is used to create different instances of an object. In order to define the method, I'm going to type the word def and then 2 underscores, followed by the letters INIT, then 2 underscores, and then parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I'm going to write the attributes of this class. In our example, each instance of the avatar class will have a name and point value. The first word that we type inside the parentheses will be self. Self references the current instance of the class and the attributes and methods associated with that instance. After I type self and comma, I will type the attributes of name and points inside the parentheses. Followed by a colon. Once that is done, I will now associate the parameter name and assign it to the variable name, which is attached to the avatar instance being created. So I'm going to type self.name equals and self dot points equals points. Now I'm going to the main program and report the class so that I can use it. So my file name is characters, so I'm going to type from characters import avatar. Now I'm going to make instances representing different avatars in our game. The first instance will be named user1. And I'm going to name this first avatar, let's say Lucy. And I'm going to assign Lucy has 12 points already. We're going to create another avatar, and this avatar will be user 2, the avatar for user 2. And this avatar's name will be Mark. And Mark is going to have 8 points. And now I'm going to print this information to the screen. So I'm going to type print user1.name user1.points. Now I'm also going to print user 2 information. Now I'm going to run the program. And it prints onto the screen. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. Until next time, stay safe.